Jeremy Clarkson's pub, the Farmer's Dog, is reportedly facing financial difficulties, with the TV presenter stating that the establishment loses $10 for every customer that works in. The former Top Gear host has acknowledged that his new venture, the Farmer's Dog, is quickly turning into a financial black hole, despite a grand opening during the holiday season. Clarkson disclosed that he invested a hefty $1 million to renovate the previously closed village pub. He expressed doubt about recovering that investment, telling the Daily Mail, "God knows if we will ever get our money back." Surprisingly, the business struggles to break even with a celebrity owner and premium prices for classic British dishes. The eatery has come under fire for its pricing. It offers comfort food like a steak pie with mashed potatoes and gravy, as well as the Lancashire hot pot, both priced at $19. Customers at Jeremy Clarkson's other pub, the Hawthorne Arms, are facing steep prices for traditional pub fare, with a daily special sauces served with mashed potatoes and gravy costing $18, and a hearty vegetable cheddar crumble priced at $15. Dessert like apple crumble and cheesecake also come with a high price tag of $8 each, while pins of Hawthorne beer and cider are being sold for $6.